Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Zotero with Overleaf. We'll export your saved reference from Zotero as a bibtex file, then upload the file to your Overleaf project. So this makes it easier to keep your citations organized and consistent. So first, open up Zotero and select the library or collections containing the references that you want to use. Choosing a specific collection helps prevent unnecessary sources from being added to your project. Next, click File in the top left corner and select Export Library. And from the Format menu, choose bibtex since this is the file type Overleaf uses for bibliography information. You may also see options for notes and file attachments, and then notes can be included if needed. But attachments are usually not necessary. After that, click OK, and then choose a folder on your computer and save the file with a clear name. Then open your Overleaf project and then click the upload option and select the bibtex file that you just saved. So once it is uploaded, the file will appear in your project's file list, and inside the file you will see citation keys created by Zotero, which you can use when adding citations to your document. So whenever you update your references in Zotero, export the file again and replace the old bibtex file in Overleaf to keep everything current. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.